Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter game chat from your party chat on your Xbox Series X. So maybe you're in Call of Duty, Halo, or some other game, and you want to speak to someone in the lobby chat, and you don't know how to switch. So press the Xbox button, then tab on over to the parties and chats. So here's our current party. Now we can just enter in the game chat from this section right here. As you can see, we can press the two squares buttons on our controller and we can switch on over to the game chat. So now it says switch to party chat. So I'm technically in the game chat right now. There's not a huge indication other than that. So you can switch back and forth. Otherwise, we can enter in the chat right here. And you can see we can press the same button. So press this button on the controller, switch to party chat. Switch to game chat. So this is a little bit more extensive. You can kind of tell what's going on from here. So it says switch to game chat. This is what it looks like when you're in the game chat. Your profile is going up and down, and it looks like there is a little triangle on it right here. So if you're in the game chat, it will say switch to party chat. If you're in the party chat, it will say switch to game chat. That's my biggest indication. I wish they had something a little bit more apparent other than that, but now you can speak to people without leaving the party. So you could always leave the party on here, just go speak to someone in the game chat and then create a new party, but you just have to press this button real quick and you can switch back and forth. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.